Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into Gmail in a browser so you can see errors and make sure your internet connection is stable. Once done, check storage. If you're near 15 GB, free space by deleting attachments. Make sure to disable VPNs or proxies and test on another network to rule out routing issues. These steps eliminate common external blockers and get you into the interface where the real fixes happen next. Now you dive into configuration. Open Gmail settings and confirm a map is enabled if you use a client. Make sure ports use SSL/TLS and match Gmail's specs. If you use an app, revoke and recreate app passwords or remove and re-add the account so OAuth tokens refresh. Next, inspect filters, forwarding rules, and blocked addresses that can reroute or drop mail. Once these settings are corrected, sync again and watch for finish by clearing cache and cookies if you're in a browser, or reinstall the Mail app and reboot your device so stale credentials reset. Make sure SMTP authentication is enabled and test sending from web Gmail to isolate client versus server problems. If messages still fail, enable detailed error reporting or check app logs. Then send a test message to another account and note the exact error text. That error message is your troubleshooting key. Use it to search settings or contact support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.